Are you concerned with the rising cost of healthcare? GracePointe Healthcare provides affordable care with their motto, modern medicine the old-fashioned way. In fact, they're the first direct pay family practice in Middle Tennessee. And here to tell us more is Robert Tomsett. Robert, welcome back to the show today.
Thank you. It's good to be here.
Let's talk more about the way you all work there. So patients pay in full at the time of their visit.
Correct.
Correct?
Correct.
How much is a typical visit cost?
Well, for a new patient, it's $89, and for an existing patient, $69 for an office visit.
Right, and this is a unique way to go about it because most people, of course, get the bills later on. So how does it work? They just pay right there?
And they just pay when they leave. They've paid their bill in full. Everything is paid. No follow-on bills, no things in the mail a few weeks later. It's all paid for.
Right, great. So nothing to dread afterwards.
Nope.
You get it all done that day.
Nope.
What about patients who need blood work done? What happens there?
Very affordable because we've cut out that middleman there too. Our labs are the cheapest in town, typically between $5 and $25 for most of the common tests.
Okay. And a lot of people out there may be wondering, what if I have insurance already? How does that work?
We give you a form that has all the codes, the CPT codes, diagnosis codes and things, so that you can file with your insurance if you choose. And if you have out-of-network coverage, you should be covered for most things.
Great. And of course, a lot of people don't like going to the doctor because you have to sit there and wait for so long. It takes a lot of time. Sometimes it's even hard to get an appointment.
Right.
How does that work at GracePointe?
Well, we usually same day or next day appointments. We've slowed things down because we've cut out all that overhead with the insurance company stuff. That we only schedule one patient every half an hour, and that's maximum. I often try to schedule an hour for new patients.
Okay, so they shouldn't expect to wait long.
No.
They can get in when they need to.
Yes.
Let's talk about what you offer besides routine care, of course. What other services do you have?
Well, we do some international travel, immunizations, and things for that. We do a lot of adoption physicals. We also do Botox and fillers. I'm trained in all that.
So a wide variety. That's something that's not often offered at a family practice.
No, not often.
All right, we've got a look right here on the screen. So Botox is $10 a unit.
Yep.
Talk more about those kind of procedures.
Well, Botox, I don't know of anybody that's got it as inexpensive as us at $10 a unit. And then there's also fillers, Restylane and Juvederm, other things that will fill in the lines and things on the face that we can do. And some people really like that. Botox, of course, everybody knows about. 4 million people every year get Botox, so quite a few.
And what do patients say about that, being able to get all of that done in one place?
They really love it. They are really appreciative that we can offer all that to them.
All that in one place. That's great. And you have a special offer for folks watching today. Now, this is for the first 50 callers. If you call for your appointment now, you'll get $50 off any office visit service for the first 50 callers. And this includes a routine visit, a sick visit or house call, Botox or filler, comprehensive physical exam, and then international travel immunizations as well. So all of that, $50 off any office visit. The number to call is 615-599-6868. Again, 599-6868. Robert, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
It's great to have you today.
Thanks.
Hey, you can afford exceptional care at GracePointe Healthcare. They're located in Physicians Plaza of Cool Springs. That's at 740 Cool Springs Boulevard in Suite 110 in Franklin. For more info, give them a call at 615-599-6868 or log on to GracePointeHealthcare.com. We've got a link to that site on the More at Midday section of WSMV.com.